All right, my people, welcome back. Well, onto this Nigeria Secret Police Appeal Court ruling granting bail to 12 IGBOHO'S associates. Alleged judge made errors. All right, my people, the news in details. Well, onto this, the Department of State Services (DSS) has appealed the court ruling granting bail to 12 Yoruba Nation activists arrested at the residence of secessionist leader Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho. Well, meanwhile, onto this, Egwatu of the Federal High Court in Abuja had on August 4th granted bail to the 12 associates of Sunday Igboho, delivering the ruling on the application filed by the 12 applicants before the court. Well, the presiding judge said it is clear that no charge has been brought against Sunday Igboho's aides since their arrest. Well, onto this, as such, the court held that detaining them without charging them contravenes the provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act and their fundamental rights. Well, 8 of the applicants, the 1st, 3rd, 4th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th applicants were granted bail in the sum of 5 million naira each in like sum and to produce as surety resident in Abuja. All right, and then meanwhile, onto this, the remaining 4 applicants, the 2nd, 5th, 6th, and 12th applicants were granted bail in the sum of 10 million naira each, with two shorties in like sum who must also be resident in Abuja. All right, and the appellant further states that the names and addresses of the persons directly affected by the appeal are those set out in paragraph 5. It added that part of the decision of the court complained of is the part of the decision relating to the grant of bail to the 2nd, 5th, 6th, and 12th applicants respondents. All right, and then the names of the 12 aides are Abdulatif Ofegbade, Amudat Abibat Babatunde aka Lady K, Tajuddin Irinloye, Diekola Jubril, Ademola Abidin Shitu, Jamiu Noah, Oyetunji Ayobami Donald, Utman Okpeyemi, Adelabu Olakinle, Oluwapelumi Raji Kazim Taiwo, Okpeyemi Tajuddin, and Bamidele Sunday. Well, onto this, the operatives of the DSS raided Igboho's house in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital, on July 1st and arrested 12 of his aides who were illegally detained before the victims challenged the detention and abuse of their rights in court. They were later granted bail after spending 34 days in detention. Though on stringent conditions, the DSS, however, opposed their bail as seen in the 5-page appeal suit dated 13th August 2021, stating 3 grounds of appeal. Well, the DSS filed the appeal through its legal representatives, who comprising Hi Awo, Hi Onotu, U Batife, and then A.A. Adelayo. Well, the DSS, in part of the grounds, partly stated that the learned trial judge erred in law and thereby occasioned a miscarriage of justice when the Honorable Court held that the fact raised in the oral response to the oral bail application of the 2nd, 5th, 6th, and 12th respondents were not grounded in appellant affidavit, thereby denying the appellant fair hearing. All right, and then onto this, the learned trial judge erred in law and then thereby occasioned a miscarriage of justice when the Honorable Court failed to order parties to file written addresses or affidavits when contentious issues were raised by appellants. The land trial judge held in law when he held the Section 162 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act (ACJA), which set out the circumstances wherein bail should be refused to respondent only applies where there is a valid charge before the court. Identifying some of what it described as particulars of error, the DSS stated the appellant opposed the grant of bail to second, fifth, sixth, and 12th respondents and raised several substantial disputes as to fact why this set of respondents should not be granted bail. Well, the respondent did not file a written bail application to enable the appellant file a counter affidavit wherein those facts raised could be deposed to. All right, my people. Well, in the Court of Appeal by Sarah Reporters on script. Well, although this had been said that Nigeria's Secret Police Appeal Court ruling granting bail to 12 IGBOHO'S associates alleged judge made errors. All right, my people, this is what we have gathered so far on to this one. Well, a lot of things are actually happening. Well, meanwhile, Oluwole Ojekunle on his own part has said that, well, the DSS needed to know this. No matter how militarily fortified they are today, they are going to be individually accountable for their deeds someday. Authority, power, and position, etc., are all transient. That's another one. Well, okay, well, this one has been said. And meanwhile, Awesu Fataya said that how many millions of Boko Haram paid before you free them? God is watching every one of you, useless government. Well, my people, well, a lot of things are actually happening right now onto this. Well, either the devil likes it or not. We have said it times with that number. And I thank God for the set of people that have been praying for this, this 8th of Chief Sunday Igboho. And then I think we just need to give a lot of praises to God on behalf of these people. Either they like it or not, these people will be freed. They've been looking for different excuses to make sure these people remain, but God is bigger than them. And meanwhile, a lot of things are actually being said, and many people have said it that the good Lord in his infinite mercy will bring them out in no time. In fact, thank God they have been set free already. So the DSS and the rest of them, they are just looking for flimsy excuses to make sure these people remain. But thank God there is God on their side. Well, my people, a lot of things have been said so far onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.